Hey guys, I'm so excited to show you this new discovery that I found. I got this digital vintage image off of Etsy and I had it printed by this company onto polyester fabric with an adhesive backing. They call it a wall decal, but it's really just fabric with sticker. So it's like fabric sticker. I will link to where I did this in the description, and I will also link to this exact vintage image if you like it. It's stunning. I think it's going to be beautiful for the fall and winter seasons. So what you're seeing me do now is adding painter's tape to kind of hold it in place. Now this was nice to take off the backing because, like I said, it's like a sticker, and so you just carefully peel off the backing. You can tell how flexible the fabric is. It's not flimsy. I didn't feel like it was going to tear, but it's very flexible. So be careful when you're slowly removing. My idea was use painter's tape to keep the fabric all nice and flat, but it just didn't work out that way, which you'll see in a second. So maybe get a helper if you can. I tried to line up my plywood as easy as I could, but I was having some problems. The plywood is the exact same size as the sticker, and so there's not really room for error, but I lined it up the best I could, and then when I flipped it over, that's when I could see, oh, my little painter's tape trick didn't do anything because I have to peel it back and get some of these large bubbles out. So if you want, you can use the painter's tape just to help remove the backing, or just have a helper to kind of hold it. So once you flip it over, you'll really want to make sure to line it up perfect. Because this backing fits just right into my open frame. So as you can see, I had to peel it back anyways. Now the downside to that is now I have little bits of dust that have stuck to the adhesive. And so in hindsight, I recommend spraying a spray adhesive onto the wood. Just do it outside. Do not spray it in your house, but add a nice even layer of spray adhesive to your wood back. Let it set for a bit, and then it will get a nice tacky touch to it. That way, when you lay down your polyester sticker, it's going to totally adhere because you're sticking sticker to sticker. And so to me, that would be the best way to really get a good connection. After I got all the bubbles out, I did flip this back over. I put some chairs on it to kind of help weigh it down. I just want to make sure it had a really nice connection with the adhesive. So while that's sitting, I went ahead and added picture clips to this open frame. Now maybe you're using a frame that already has a back and clips. That would be awesome. But this is a huge vintage frame I got for a great deal because it was backless. So you can get these really affordably. I will link them into the description as well. Pre-drill, and then go ahead and screw in the screws, but don't do it tight. You want to be able to move your little clip out of the way so you can put the backing on. Now I did 3 on top and 3 on the bottom, and that was a good enough hold for me. Just really depends, I think, on the size of your frame, how many to secure it. So I added my 2-foot by 4-foot pre-cut plywood from Home Depot with my new picture, flipped the little clips, tightened all 6 of them, and I already had hanging hardware on the back, so it was ready to hang. And I absolutely love how beautiful this is. This looks like vintage artwork. I have a light shining down on it, and there is no sheen or shine. Like if it was a real painting, you might have little bits if you had glossy oils or something, but this looks real. I love the texture that the polyester fabric gives, so I highly recommend this for large vintage artwork.